Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create dashboards to track KPIs using Asana. First off, log into your Asana account and select the project you're interested in tracking. This is crucial because your project is the base for your KPIs, and you'll need to set your KPIs specific to this project's goals. Next up, click on the Dashboard tab located at the top of your project. This helps us because the dashboard is where you'll be able to visualize your KPIs and track progress over time. Now that we've done that, let's create our first KPI. To do this, click on the Add Chart button, then select Create a Custom Chart. It's here that you'll select the task or tasks that correspond to your KPI. This matters because a KPI is a measurable value that demonstrates how effectively a project is achieving key business objectives. Next, fill in the details for your KPI chart. You'll need to give it a title, select the chart type, and determine what data you want to view. This is important because the details you select will determine how your KPI is visualized on the dashboard. After that, click Create Chart. Your chart will then be added to your dashboard, effectively tracking your KPI. Now you can repeat these steps for each KPI you want to track. This is beneficial because having multiple KPIs in view allows you to see a more holistic picture of your project's performance. To wrap up, Asana dashboards are a powerful tool for tracking KPIs and monitoring your project's progress. By creating custom charts for each KPI, you'll have a clear visual representation of your project's performance at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tracking.